How do I make the searchable list archives public or private? Under the List Management menu, click on List Configuration. The keyword that controls everything related to the list archives is called Notebook. Click on this keyword to open a screen showing all of the options. Use the Access Level pull-down menu to choose who should be able to view the list archives. The most common options are Public, which makes the archives available to everyone, and Private, which makes them only available to subscribers of the list. You can also select other options, for example Owner, which restricts access to the list owner only. Thank you for watching.